Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use our 6-hole adjustable punch. You can create a variety of customized pages for your favorite planners. To unlock the punch, push the handle down and slide to the unlock position, and you're good to go. Let's demo an A5 sheet, although there are so many different options. To punch 6 holes perfectly, pull the paper guider to A5 and slide both adjusters to A5 settings as well. Insert your paper. Now be sure to line it up with the guider and you're done with just one punch. It's so easy, and you can punch as many as 8 sheets at once. Now I'll show you how to punch DeskFax paper. Same as before, just pull the guider to DeskFax 1. Slide both adjusters to DeskFax, like this. Insert paper, be sure to line it up with the guider, and punch. Now rotate the paper, slide it to DeskFax 2 marked here, and punch again. There you go. To clear the confetti, just open here. It's very easy to use. This punch works with A4, DeskFax, A5, Personal, A6, Pocket, and Mini. It offers adjustable hole designs so you can use any of your favorite papers and combine your new pages with tabs and fun stickers. It's very versatile. Thanks for watching.